Okay, this is number 3 in our chapter 4 review. Okay, it asks that a curve C is defined implicitly by x times e to the y power equals x squared plus y squared. So this is our curve. Find the equation of the tangent to C at the point 1, 0. Right. The tangent to C, the slope of the tangent to C is given by the derivative, remember? So we're going to first find the derivative of this curve. To find the derivative of this curve, we first find the derivative of this portion. Let me do it. Derivative of our first portion, which equals the derivative of which equals x times the derivative of e to the y power. And remember, e to the something, the derivative of e to the something is just e to the something, remember? So the derivative of e to the y power equals e y times the derivative of y. That's dy dx because that is not defined by us. Okay. And then there's a second part, remember, it's a multiplication, the product rule. So that'll be derivative of x1 times e to the y power. Alright, that is our first part. And now that has to equal the derivatives of the second part. So derivative of x squared equals 2x to the 1 power, right? So 2x. And the derivative of y squared equals 2y to the 1 power, which is 2y, times the derivative of y, because that is not defined yet. There we go. We are trying to find derivative of y. Now, because we're trying to find derivative of y, we want dy dx. I'm going to put these together. Alright, so we have, this is ey times x dy dx plus ey equals 2x plus 2y dy dx. That gives us e to the y power times x dy dx minus 2y dy dx equals 2x minus ey. Alright, we factor out the derivative, dy dx times e to the y power times x minus 2y equals 2x minus ey. So our derivative is actually 2x minus e to the y power over e to the y power times x minus 2y. This gives us our slope, and we want our slope at the point 1, 0. So when x equals 1 and y equals 0, our slope equals 2 times 1 minus e to the 0 power over e to the 0 power times 1 minus 2 times 0. Right, 2 times 1 equals 2. E to the 0 power equals 1, so minus 1 over e to the 0 power equals 1 times 1 equals 1 minus 2 times 0 equals 0. That gives us 1 over 2 minus 1 equals 1, 1 minus 0 equals 1, 1. So our slope is 1. Let me check to see if I did this correct. Yeah, our slope is 1. Okay. Now, our point slope formula, remember, is y minus our y value equals our slope times x minus our x value. So our slope is y minus 0 equals our slope m. Well, this is our equation, sorry, not slope. Our equation is y minus 0 equals our slope 1 times x minus 1. That just gives us y equals x minus 1 as the equation of this tangent line.